Hello there YouTube, doing another video on my Taurus Pt-111 G2, the G2c model. Yes, this gun is safety checked. As many of you already know, there's quite a few different magazine options for this firearm. Here is the factory magazine 12 round that comes with the gun. Mec-Gar makes an 18 round magazine, ProMag makes a few different options, and Sauer P226 magazines also work in this firearm. The issue is with the magazine hanging a little lower than the lower receiver here. A little uncomfortable, not very pretty if you want to use that term on it. So I do make magazine sleeves to fit these type magazines, 15 rounds. And there you go. This one currently has the Taurus logo on the back. Do not ask me for these. These I cannot sell due to trademark infringement, but there's other logos I will sell. I'll show you here in just a second. But the sleeve slides right onto the magazine. Fits right into the firearm. Looky there. You get a nice grip. And stippling on the side is very similar to the stippling on the lower receiver. You have an option for a logo on the rear of the sleeve. Here's a few different variants. Here is the no logo version. Here is the 9mm version. I also sell one that says G2 on the rear. These are currently the version 2 of this sleeve. I currently sell version 1s which do not have this stippling on the side, and this one fits a little better, looks a little better. Version 1 will soon be phased out and version 2 will soon take its place completely. I may even do a sale on the version 1s here soon. I will send a link in the video description below so you can go check it out. Thanks guys, have a good day.